Hello everyone, it's 3rd November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page we have air emergency, severe pollution likely this week. Again very important for environment perspective. Then we have heart must work harder. Even limited exposure is harmful to high risk patients. Again very important for health perspective. Moving forward we have ISRO rocket shoots off its heaviest communication satellite in orbit. Again very important for defense perspective. Moving forward, we have the explained page where we have behind Trump's call to end US legislative tool, the filibuster. Very important for international relations perspective. Then we have looming scarcity of urea, again very important. Then we have cloud seeding in winters to reduce pollution is bad science. Here's why, again very important for science and tech as well as environment perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says restraint has a half-life, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the trouble with anti-vaxxers, very important for health related perspective. Then we have red corridor to green shoots, again a very important editorial. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have Trump threatens US military action in Nigeria over killing of Christians, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Ukraine drone hit key Russian oil port, 2 foreign vessels damaged. Then we have Israel urges Lebanon to disarm Hezbollah under truce terms, warns about attacks. Then we have Syrian president will visit US early this month, says foreign minister. Lastly, we have Iran president says Tehran will rebuild its nuclear facilities. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have the economy page where we have 2 key amendments to open up and power sector likely in winter season. Then we have foreign debt inflows trail expectations despite easier fully accessible route norms. Then we have new AI law to be modeled on IT Act, very important for science and tech as well as economic perspective. Then we have 8th pay commission, what the clearance of the terms of reference means. All these news are very important for economic perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.